Welcome to our seatwork lesson. Students watching and boys and girls in this classroom, we have many different worksheets and activities we're going to do in this lesson. We're going to begin by our arithmetic worksheet, then it's time to do our letters and sounds and language worksheets. When we're done with that, we're going to take our writing tablet paper and copy our new spelling list. Remember, write the first column next to the houses and the second column next to the second fold right in the middle of your paper. Then it's going to be time to do a Bible Friends activity worksheet. I know you're going to like it when you see it. After the Bible Friends activity, it's going to be time for you to read a book. Take the time to read all of the words in that book and enjoy the picture. Then you're going to turn that writing tablet paper to the back. You're going to write your name 5 times, then neatly copy this sentence. Be careful with the spacing of this sentence. Don't have too much space between the words or too little space. And then you're going to copy some numbers underneath that. Let's look together at our worksheets that we have for today. We'll begin with our arithmetic worksheet. The first thing we're going to do is write our name neatly at the top. Let's look at the directions for number 1. Number 1 says to count from 51 to 100. So you're going to color, when you're done with that, color all the spaces with a 0 in the ones place pink. Now notice something, students watching and boys and girls in this classroom, this is a little bit of a challenge, isn't it? You're starting with 51 and you're going to fill in all of these boxes until you get to 100. Now they gave us a number at the end of 51 and they gave us 60. Bailey, what number are we going to write next?
61.
Yes, and then you'll continue counting until you get to the number 100. After you're done counting is when you're going to get to color all the spaces with a 0 in the ones place pink. How many spaces are we going to color in pink, Leah?
4.
4 is it. They colored in 1 already, so we have 4 additional spaces to do. Let's go down and look at number 2. Number 2 says to write the number that comes between by adding on 1 to the first number. So remember, we're starting with cookies and we get to add the best part in between, and that's the cream. Number 3 says to color the circles yellow and color the squares purple. Neatly color those circles and those squares and follow the directions with the colors. Number 4 says to write the missing number. Now, students watching and boys and girls in this classroom, not only are there some missing add-ins, but there are also some subtraction combinations. So let's look at the second combination, which is the first subtraction missing number. What number do I start with that I take away 2 and have 3 as my difference? So let me say that again. What number will I start with, I take away 2 from, and I have 3 as the difference, students watching? And Benjamin, what number would I start with?
2.
Oh, I don't start with 2, take away 2, and get 3. Jed, help us.
5.
I say 5 minus 2, it equals what, Jed?
3.
And that's how you know you have the right answer. Take this paper and put it underneath. Our next paper we are looking at is our letters and sounds paper. On this paper, the first thing you're going to do is neatly write your name. Number 1 says you're going to circle the special sounds and mark the vowels. Let's start with burr and bride and say our 2 special sounds together. Burr and bride, B-R, burr, burr, burr. Dur and drum, D-R, dur, dur, dur. But notice something, there's another box where they have all kinds of special sounds. Neatly circle special sounds, mark the vowels, and read these words quickly in your head. Number 2 says you're going to fill in the missing vowel that goes with the picture. So do all of those words neatly. Take this paper and put it underneath. Our next paper we are looking at is our language worksheets. This one looks like a fun one. The first thing you're going to do is write your name neatly at the top. After that, number 1 says to write the correct words in the blanks and then read the story. So notice something. At the very top is where we have the words to choose from. So you're going to read this story, look at the picture, and find the right word that goes in the blank. Choose it, write it neatly, and finish the story carefully. Number 2 says you're going to circle the picture word. Each picture has 2 choices, so find the one word that goes with the picture and neatly circle it. Take this paper and put it underneath. Now, after you do your language worksheet, it's going to be time to work on your spelling words. So neatly copy those spelling words on writing tablet, and now let's look together at your Bible Friends activity page. There are 2 sides to your activity, and I want you to do both of these sides in this lesson. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to neatly write your name. Then our directions tell you to fold on the dotted line, and then on the inside, let's turn this paper to the back. You are going to get to color the circles to match the pairs of animals. So notice you get to color animals and then find each animal that goes together and color in their circle the correct color. You may begin.